Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. If you're looking to check someone's bio on TikTok, I'm here to guide you through the steps. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open the TikTok app and find the profile of the person whose bio you want to check. This could be someone you're following, or you can search for their name in the search bar at the top. Once you've found their profile, you can view their bio in a couple of ways. If you're watching one of their videos, you'll notice their profile name in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on that, and it will take you directly to their profile. Alternatively, you can swipe left on the video, which will also bring up their profile page. Once you're on their profile, the bio will appear right below the follow button. This is where users can include a short description or introduction about themselves. It might include some personal information, their interests, or a brief summary of what their account is about. Many users also include links to their other social media platforms, like Instagram or YouTube, in their bio, so you might find those there too. The bio is essentially a snapshot that helps others quickly understand who the person is or what kind of content they share on TikTok. It's a great way to get a feel for the user's personality or what you can expect from their posts. If the bio is written in a language you don't understand, TikTok has a handy feature for that. Just tap on the bio, and you'll see an option to see translation. This will translate the text into your preferred language, making it easier for you to understand what the user is sharing about themselves. I hope this helps you navigate TikTok profiles with ease. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.